Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the digital world to bring you the latest tips, tricks, and insights. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: setting up a mobile-friendly web shop in less than 24 hours. Yes, you heard it right, so let's get into it. With over 63.5% of e-commerce sales made on mobile devices in recent years, it's clear that the future of shopping is digital and on the go. Today, we'll guide you through the essential steps to launch your mobile-friendly e-commerce platform, ensuring you're not left behind. First off, let's understand our audience. Mobile shoppers are looking for convenience, speed, and a seamless shopping experience. They use their smartphones for everything from researching products to making purchases. This means your web shop needs to be optimized for mobile use, from navigation to checkout. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Adobe Commerce offer great tools for building a mobile-friendly site. Shopify, for instance, is perfect for beginners and experts alike, offering a range of templates and an easy-to-use interface. We've included a link for a free trial of Shopify below to help you get started. Design is key. Your mobile web shop should be easy to navigate with a clear homepage, personalized site search, and quick payment options. Remember, the goal is to make the shopping experience as smooth as possible for your mobile users. Before launching, test your web shop on various devices. This includes making test purchases to ensure the checkout process is streamlined. It's also a good idea to preview your site on both iOS and Android devices to catch any potential issues. Once your shop is up and running, it's time to attract customers. Use social media marketing, SEO strategies, and email marketing to drive traffic to your site. Engaging content and special promotions can also help boost your visibility. Setting up a mobile-friendly web shop might seem daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of effort, you can launch your online store in no time. Remember, the key is to focus on the mobile user's experience, making shopping easy, enjoyable, and accessible from anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips. Have any questions or tips of your own? Leave them in the comments.